Hey everyone, today we're checking out some insane U-turns that even the GPS would give up on. Just a reminder, this is all for entertainment. When you're out driving, keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Trust me, you don't want to end up going viral on a traffic cam for doing something like this.
It seems that the white car failed to pay attention in this situation. How could this small sedan possibly knock the G63 away? That was almost a crash. What do you think about it? When participating in traffic, it's important to stay calm and avoid getting angry. What do you think about this situation? Let us know in the comments below. The truck driver looked around very carefully before entering the road. Luckily, the man riding the motorbike wasn't hurt in this incident. Kicking a car is not a good idea. The driver seemed unsure how to respond in this situation. The red pickup truck lost its brakes and caused the incident. Cargo trucks are always a nightmare on the road. Tesla's autopilot failed to react in time to this situation. It's important to stay alert and pay close attention when driving. It's very fortunate that no collision occurred in this situation. Narrow roads without a median are very dangerous to drive on. The white car pulled out onto the road without checking, creating a dangerous situation. What would you do in this situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The driver may have lost control. I wonder what the motorbike rider was thinking while driving.